Every morning, many of us awaken to a flurry of responsibilities that can feel overwhelming. The familiar buzz of alarms and email pings remind us of the weight resting on our shoulders, often before we've even had our first sip of coffee. Students face the anxiety of looming exams and the pressure to perform at their best. Parents find themselves balancing work commitments with the diverse needs of their families, all while trying to meet varying expectations. Professionals work tirelessly through tight deadlines, important presentations, and an ever-expanding list of tasks. It's no wonder that from the early hours of the day to late into the evening, we often feel the strain of life's demands pressing down on us. It's important to remember that we're not alone in this experience. Many share these feelings of overwhelm and exhaustion. And in that hustle and bustle of our daily lives, it's all too easy for negative self-talk to sneak in. When a student struggles to grasp a lesson as quickly as they would like, feelings of inadequacy can arise. A parent rushing to pick up their child might find themselves silently criticizing their own choices. An employee who misses a deadline may find it hard to escape a cycle of self-blame. These reactions often happen without us even realizing it, driven by the belief that we have to be perfect to deserve love and respect. However, within these familiar struggles lies a genuine opportunity for a different kind of response. Whether it's a minor hiccup at work or a misunderstanding with a friend, practicing self-compassion allows us to treat ourselves with the same kindness we readily offer others. Instead of harshly judging ourselves for our mistakes, we can take a moment to acknowledge our difficulties and gently remind ourselves that making mistakes is part of being human. Remember, none of us are perfect, and it's okay to embrace our imperfections along the way. Consider that student who may be struggling with that tough subject. Rather than feeling shame, they can recognize that learning often involves trial and error. Similarly, the parent rushing around can remember that balancing multiple tasks is challenging for everyone, and that taking a deep breath and practicing patience with oneself can ease the stress. The professional who feels overwhelmed by deadlines can step back, offer some self-understanding, and strategize with a clearer mind. When people replace their inner critic with a voice of empathy, the change is both subtle and profound. Rather than feeling isolated in their struggles, they come to understand that many others share similar challenges. Problems that once appeared insurmountable start to feel manageable. Gentle self-talk emerges as a supportive friend during stressful times, offering reassurance. It's all right, you're doing your best. You can learn from this and move forward. Self-compassion radiates positivity in daily interactions, whether with co-workers, friends, or family. When we are kinder to ourselves, we unlock a deeper empathy for others. This newfound gentleness allows us to reach out, connect, and nurture understanding. The environment at home and in the workplace transforms when we all embrace compassion instead of judgment. As time unfolds, this approach begins to reshape the very essence of our daily lives. Though challenges arise, their weight gradually lifts, ushering in a newfound sense of ease. Mistakes transform from sources of shame and regret into invaluable lessons that fuel our personal growth. While life's demands and deadlines remain steadfast, embracing them with kindness nurtures a more harmonious perspective. The world may never slow its relentless pace, yet within our hearts we unearth moments of tranquility, small sanctuaries of peace amid the surrounding noise and chaos. Ultimately, life isn't about eliminating pressure or wearing a mask that suggests everything is effortlessly simple. It's about recognizing that everyone deserves the same kindness and empathy they so willingly extend to their friends and family. This gentle shift in perspective, transforming relentless self-judgment into a nurturing sense of understanding, can lead to an unexpected feeling of relief and open up a world of new possibilities. Embracing this compassionate approach not only lightens the emotional load, but also fosters a deeper connection with oneself, paving the way for personal growth and resilience. Life will constantly bring everyday challenges, yet, with self-compassion, these challenges transform into stepping stones for growth instead of barriers to success. In every shared smile and each moment of tenderness we offer ourselves, we realize we can navigate this busy world with resilience, grace, and a gentle spirit. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who may need some kindness today. And subscribe for more videos like this and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Until next time, embrace self-compassion today and let it transform how you live, love, and connect.